Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel and I am Sonali. So in the series of this traditional art form of India, before in my previous video I shared with you a Lipan art which is from Rajasthan and Gujarat. But in my today's video I am going to share with you a Gond art. So Gond art is a form of painting from folk and tribes in India. The Gond, who are predominantly from Madhya Pradesh but also can be found in the pockets of Andhra Pradesh, Maharashtra, Chhattisgarh and Odisha. Gond paintings are mostly reflection of man's close connection with his natural surroundings, and in these paintings can be described as on line, work, dots and dashes are mostly used in these paintings, and very bright colors we are using in these paintings such as red, blue, yellow, green and black also. So in my today's video I am going to share with you like how to do a Gond painting or a Gond art. So those who are watching my channel first time, please don't leave my channel because you subscribing, like or share with your family and friends, because your one like and your one subscribe gives us a huge motivation and huge support to make such an interesting videos. So see you on my next video on next Sunday, and till then take care and bye bye.
I know you don't love me like you say you do. I know you don't love me like you say you do. I know you don't love me like you say you do.
Casting on my promises, you know I'm too generous. Now I've learned to never help you out. Cause I'm done cleaning up your mess. Found myself in my regrets. I've become a little stronger now. 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 You cashed in on my promises. You know I'm too generous. Now I've learned to never help you out. Cause I'm done cleaning up your mess. Found myself in my regrets. I've become a little stronger now. A little stronger now. Casting on my promises, you know I'm too generous. Now I've learned to never help you out. Cause I'm done cleaning up your